What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to another video of Shakim at home, and today we're going to make some turkey neck. Yes, we're going to make some nice turkey neck with some butter bean. And so I went by Costuless and I was thinking, like, what should I cook this evening? What should I make for the kids? And I say, bam, my mother favorite, turkey neck. You get turkey neck for Sunday dinner, turkey neck in a week, turkey neck. Yes, so I'm just going to pour some white vinegar all over the turkey neck, and I'm just going to wash it with the vinegar and some water. I don't have no lemon. If you have lemon or lime, you can use that. You can go ahead and use that, but I'm using white vinegar today. Oh, you should smell this vinegar. It's so strong. Oh, one fall out. And then we're just going to pour some water on it and wash it off. So the turkey neck finished to wash with some white vinegar, and I'm seasoning it up with some garlic powder and some complete season. But I inside here and I dying with laughing. When I tell you I dying with laughing when I cooking, my daughter Kisara, you see, I don't even remember her name, come home to tell me if I ever have iguana. Kisara go school, go taste iguana and come back and tell me how much it tastes like chicken. Can you not believe that? Hey, yeah, Jesus, hey. Let me add my brownie. So me just add some brownie to this. Oh, my brownie almost done. Me feel genetic tobacco. Yes. Oh Lord. And then we just going to rub up everything together, you know, mix it up together, put it aside, leave it for an hour so your Caesar can soak down inside of that. You can put it in your fridge, you can do it overnight, you can do it how you want. But yeah, that is finished. Make some caramel dumpling to go with the turkey neck. So inside this bowl I have some flour and I have some caramel and I have a little bit of salt inside there. So I'm just going to pour some water inside it and just mix that up to make the dumpling, just like that. So here, so we have a pot of water with some salt going. So I'm just making up my caramel dumpling to put inside it. And we're going to peel some green banana also. I have some green banana. I don't have no yam. So green banana caramel dumpling. That's what going this afternoon. Okay guys, so the pot started to hot. I just have some vegetable oil inside it, so I'm just going to add my turkey neck to the pot. Okay guys, so now is the time. You see, I leave it to catch some colors. Look at that. Yes, on it. So now is the time. I'm just going to add in some water to the pot, some seasoned water to the pot, and I'm going to cover this and pressure it for 15 minutes. Felix wanted a piece of the red pepper to try. You like it?
Yeah.
What it tastes like?
It tastes like salad.
Like what?
Salad.
Salad?
Mm-hmm.
And you like salad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just cutting up some peppers and some onion for the turkey neck. It's finished to pressure, so I'm doing the next step. Eva, you eating pepper also, Kissy? Eva, Kisara eat out my pepper. Yes, baby?
It's so juicy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
we're gonna put some carrot also, a little piece of carrot I have leave back. We're adding some green onion. We cut up the carrots already, and we're going to add some garlic. You know, garlic make everything taste good. Like what, Shakima? With all those garlic inside it, good flavors. I remember when Kisara used to small, she used to just take the garlic and eat it just like that. And mine, you know, garlic have a kind of harsh taste to it. And this child used to just take that garlic and just eat it just like that. No question asked. Anyway, it was good for her, so I didn't mind. We're going to add this to the pot over there. Okay guys, so I have a piece of thyme in the pot, so I'm just transferring the turkey neck to this pot here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add all the vegetables that I have cut up inside of the turkey, and just mix that together. So like that. If you notice, I still doesn't put no more water on it. I'm still using the same amount of water I put inside the pressure pot, and we're going to cover it down now. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use some of the K-Jab menace to it. This one, normally they don't use it in Jamaica, but you know, when I do Jamaica, I may cook it the way how me love it, how me want it. My mother and I add a little bit of tomato ketchup, but that a little bit sweet already, so I don't have to add the tomato ketchup to it. And then we're going to cover it down and leave it to cook some more. Okay, so I'm going to add some Lasco broad bean to it, just like that. And I'm gonna mix it up inside of the turkey, like so, like that, and leave that cook down some more. Okay guys, so it's finished. As you can see, my turkey neck is finished. Look at that. Look at those beans inside it. Delicious. Let me plate up some now. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the caramel dumpling and the banana there. So I'm just going to plate up the turkey neck. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. And that's it.